Friends, today let's solve questions related to data communications and computer networks in 2019 AP ESET question paper. So let's go to the first question. Physical or logical arrangement of a network is called, basically it is called a topology. Now what is network topology? Network topology is an arrangement of elements of a communication network, and network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangements of various telecommunication networks. So it includes controlled radio networks and industrial field buses. Next, a data communication system within a building or a campus is called, if you observe, local area network will be basically between few meters to few kilometers, and it will be having lowest error rate, and this local area network is used in buildings, in companies, or in colleges. So simply remember it. So it also will be having lowest error rate, however the transmission speed is high and it is at lower cost. So this makes LAN preferable for campuses. So the number of layers in OSI reference model, so this is a very standard question. OSI is basically 7 layer reference model. So in this the layers are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Remember the names. So which one of the following layers in OSI reference model is called end-to-end layer? This question is asked even in the last year also. So basically transport layer is a second layer in TCP/IP model, and it is an end-to-end layer used to deliver messages to host. It is also termed as end-to-end layer because it provides point-to-point connection rather than hop-to-hop between the source and destination host for delivering services reliably. Next, the internetwork is a classical network of packet switching. So generally in internet, all the data is transferred in the form of packets. Next, a list of protocols used by a system and one protocol per day is called protocol stack. So a list of protocols used by the system is basically, and with one protocol per layer, is called a protocol stack. Next, HTTP belongs to which of the following layer? So basically HTTP is an extensible protocol which has evolved over time, and it is available in application layer, that is sent over TCP over encrypted TCP connection through any reliable transport protocol which could be used. So if you observe, the answer is application layer. Now I will show you the pictorial representation of this. So this is a comparison of networks. So LAN is most commonly used in campuses. So these are the different layers of OSI reference model. Now internet working between two computers basically will be working on packets. Now this is your hypertext transfer protocol. You observe all these protocols will work in application layer, HTTP. So sometimes they will be asking about this. TCP will be working on transport protocol, and IPv and ICMP and address resolution protocol will be working in network. So RS-232 optical fiber and UTP cables will be working in physical layer, and Ethernet will be in data link layer. So this diagram is very important because it has the OSI reference model layers along with the protocols which are used in each layer and a comparison with the TCP/IP model. So you have to remember this model for knowing the protocols used in each of the layer. With this, the questions related to ECIT in 2019 data communication computer networks is completed.